Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here today. Have you ever thought about turning your car into a money-making machine? Imagine your car not just as a mode of transportation, but as a source of income. No, I'm not talking about driving for Uber or Lyft. While those are great options, there's another way to leverage your vehicle. I'm talking about starting your own car rental business using your own personal car. Yes, you heard that right. You can rent out your car and make money from it. It's a legit way to generate some serious passive income, and the best part is, you don't need a fleet of fancy cars to get started. Even if you have just one car, you can dive into this business. In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process step by step, so you can start raking in that sweet, sweet rental cash. We'll go through each detail meticulously to ensure you have all the information you need. We'll cover everything from researching the market and prepping your car to setting the right price and finding customers. You'll learn how to make your car appealing to renters and how to manage your rental business efficiently. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or build a full-time income stream, this video has got you covered. We'll explore the potential earnings, the challenges you might face, and how to overcome them. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of your car. Before you even think about handing over your car keys, you need to know if there's a demand for car rentals in your area. This is the first and most crucial step in setting up a successful car rental business. Without understanding the market, you could be setting yourself up for failure. Start by researching your local market. Look around and see what the current landscape looks like. Are there already established players in the market? Are there already a ton of car rental companies? If so, what kind of services do they offer? Are they catering to a specific niche or demographic? What kind of cars do they offer? What are their rates? Understanding the competition will help you identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Maybe there's a demand for luxury cars, or perhaps budget-friendly options are lacking. Next, think about your target market. Who are the people that will be renting your cars? Are they business travelers, tourists, or locals who need a temporary vehicle? Are you in a touristy area where people might need a car for a few days? Tourists often look for convenient and affordable car rental options to explore the area. Or maybe you're near a university where students need wheels for the weekend. Students might not own cars, but still need them for short trips or errands. Finally, don't forget to check your local laws and regulations regarding car rentals. This is a critical step to ensure that your business operates smoothly and legally. You want to make sure you're operating above board and not running into any legal issues down the line. This includes understanding insurance requirements, licensing, and any other legal obligations you might have. By doing thorough research, you can set a strong foundation for your car rental business and increase your chances of success. Cat. Your car is the heart of your rental business, so you want to make sure it's in tip-top shape. First impressions matter, so give your car a thorough cleaning inside and out. We're talking spotless. Next, take your car for a full service and address any mechanical issues. You don't want your renters dealing with breakdowns on the road. Consider getting your car detailed to really make it shine. A little investment here can go a long way in attracting renters. Finally, take some high-quality photos of your car from different angles. Good photos are crucial for showcasing your car online and attracting potential renters. Now, it's time to get down to business, literally. First, decide on your business structure. Are you going to operate as a sole proprietorship, or will you form an LLC? An LLC can provide some liability protection, which is important when you're renting out your personal asset. Next, you absolutely need to get commercial car rental insurance. This type of insurance is specifically designed for car rentals and will protect you in case of an accident or damage to your vehicle. Don't skimp on this, it's crucial for protecting yourself and your investment. Pricing your rental car right is a delicate balance. You want to be competitive with other rental companies in your area, but you also need to make sure you're covering your expenses and making a profit. Start by researching the going rates for similar cars in your area. Check out websites like Turo and Getaround to see what other people are charging. Factor in your expenses, including insurance, maintenance, and cleaning. Consider offering extras like GPS, child seats, or unlimited mileage for an additional fee. This can be a great way to boost your earnings. Remember, you can always adjust your prices later based on demand and feedback from renters. Now that you're all set up, it's time to get your car in front of potential renters. There are several platforms specifically designed for peer-to-peer car rentals like Turo, GetAround, and HireCar. These platforms handle things like marketing, insurance, and payment processing, making it super easy to get started. Alternatively, you can go the DIY route and rent out your car directly through social media, a website, or even local classifieds. This gives you more control over your pricing and rental terms, but requires a bit more effort on your end. Don't even think about handing over your car keys without a solid rental agreement in place. This document is crucial for protecting yourself and your asset. Your rental agreement should clearly outline the rental terms, including the rental duration, payment methods, and responsibilities for damages. Be sure to include a section on your cancellation policy. Require a security deposit to cover any potential damages to your vehicle. The amount of the deposit will vary depending on your car and local regulations. Have your renters sign the agreement before they drive off. It's time to spread the word about your awesome car rental service. Leverage the power of social media. Create profiles for your business on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Post eye-catching photos of your car and highlight its features and benefits. Run targeted ads to reach potential renters in your area. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage friends and family to spread the word about your business. Offer referral discounts to incentivize people to recommend your service. Once the rental requests start pouring in, you need a system for managing bookings and communication. Set up a simple booking system, whether it's a calendar, a spreadsheet, or a dedicated rental platform. Be responsive to inquiries and answer any questions potential renters might have. Provide clear instructions for pickup and drop-off procedures. Maintain good communication with your renters throughout the rental period. As with any business, it's essential to monitor your performance and make adjustments along the way. After each rental, ask your renters for feedback on their experience. This will help you identify areas where you can improve your service. Keep an eye on your financials. Are you covering your expenses? Are you making a profit? Be prepared to adjust your pricing, marketing strategies, or even the car's availability based on demand and feedback. If your car rental business takes off and you're finding it hard to keep up with demand, it might be time to consider expanding your fleet. Start by renting out an additional vehicle. You can use the profits from your first car to help cover the costs of a second car. As your business grows, you might even consider investing in a fleet of vehicles. Explore offering different types of vehicles to cater to a wider range of customer needs. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't expand too quickly. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting your own car rental business using your personal car. We've covered everything from the initial steps of setting up your business to the finer details of maintaining your vehicle and ensuring customer satisfaction. It's a fantastic way to put your car to work for you and generate some serious passive income. By renting out your car, you can turn a depreciating asset into a money-making machine. Just remember to prioritize safety. Regular inspections and maintenance are crucial to ensure that your car is always in top condition. This not only protects your investment but also ensures the safety of your customers. Keep your car in pristine condition. A clean, well-maintained car is more appealing to potential renters and can command higher rental rates. Regular cleaning and detailing can make a big difference and provide excellent customer service. A friendly and professional approach can turn first-time renters into repeat customers. Always be responsive to inquiries and address any issues promptly. A positive reputation will go a long way in attracting repeat customers and building a successful business. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials, as these can significantly boost your credibility. Now go out there, get your car rental game on, and start raking in those profits. The journey may have its challenges, but with dedication and smart strategies, you can achieve great success. Starting a car rental business can be a rewarding venture. Not only can it provide a steady stream of income, but it also offers the flexibility to manage your own schedule and grow your business at your own pace. Just make sure to prioritize safety, maintain your vehicle well, and provide excellent customer service to build a good reputation. Networking with other car rental business owners can also provide valuable insights and support. Regular maintenance checks are essential. Keep a detailed maintenance log and schedule routine inspections to catch any potential issues early. This will help you avoid costly repairs and downtime. And always strive to provide excellent customer service. Building a good reputation takes time, but it's worth the effort. Good luck on your journey to becoming a successful car rental entrepreneur. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching.